Ever wondered what happens when one of the biggest tech companies in the world suddenly decides it doesn't need thousands of employees anymore? Well, it's happening again. Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, is planning to cut about 10% of its workforce. That is roughly 8,000 people, and it is starting really soon. May 20. But here's the real question. Why now? Is Meta in trouble or is something bigger going on? Let's break it down. First, no. Meta isn't collapsing. In fact, it's spending more money than even billions, only on one thing, AI. Since they are focusing to AI, they want to have a more optimized workforce. Maybe one engineer's salary might not be much for Meta, but if you think about 8,000 of them, then it's really a big budget cut. These days, many tech companies are taking more risk than ever because they are spending on AI data centers billions. Even though Meta finds new ways to optimize their processes and earn more money, it's really a big question and big risk for investors. Meta is going all in on artificial intelligence, new data centers, new AI tools, new hires as well, but only in AI. So while thousands of people are losing jobs, Meta is hiring a different kind of worker. That raises a really scary question. Is AI replacing people? Mark Zuckerberg even said that work that used to need big teams can now be done only by one person if he is using AI. Think about that for a second. One person doing the work of a 10. So what happens to the other 9? And it is not just Meta. Amazon, Oracle, Dell, they are all cutting jobs too, all at the same time. Tech companies these days, they are all racing to build AI faster than each other. So this isn't just layoffs, it is a shift, a big one. We are literally going from more people to AGI. But here is the twist. Meta isn't just doing one big layoff and moving on. This is not the first time Meta laying off their engineers. In some of the other companies, they just cut one big time and then they move on. This way, engineers, workers, people experience this really bad thing one time, but they move on with their life. But on the other way, if the company is having a layoff in every year or like every 6 months, then it is a bigger problem. They are doing it in waves. Cuts, then more cuts, and then more cuts, unfortunately. Which leads to the biggest question of all. Is this the end of layoffs or just the beginning? Because if AI keeps getting better, how many jobs will still be needed in the future? And more importantly, will your job be one of them? If you are not already a billionaire, I wish you good luck, because all of us are in the same ship. This is why I make these videos. I want to inform people, and also for myself, I want to be updated all the time about the latest tech stories so we can understand better, play our roles better, and invest better. Please do consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Have a great day.